Hello and welcome back to the Habitat Minute, where you can catch all things habitat in a minute or less. On Thursday, June 6th, we will be celebrating the dedication of our largest habitat home yet for Brent and Vicky and their family. Join us at 5 p.m. at 203 South Grand for the ribbon cutting and blessing of this new home. Thank you to their sponsor, the Interfaith Build, for walking alongside this family and helping them achieve the goal of affordable homeownership. Congratulations! On Tuesday, June 11th at 106 East Oregon Street, Habitat will host a press conference to announce the house the Otters built, sponsored by Eyewitness News. The Otters and Eyewitness are partnering to sponsor a Habitat home for Kimiko and her children. On Tuesday, Habitat will join with the Evansville Otters, Eyewitness News, and Mayor Lloyd Winnicky to raise the first wall on this home. Stay tuned for pictures and updates from this awesome kickoff. That's all for today. See you next week.